Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can craft a popcorn surfing cart in Heartopia. So the popcorn surfing cart is the ultimate aesthetic furniture piece for any Heartopia creator. So if you want to take your home cinema or outdoor festival to the next level, you can craft this one. So the popcorn here, the popcorn surfing cart is one of the rewards that you can get from the Dream Life Cinematic Festival week. And in here, I'm going to show you how you can get it. But let me first show you the recipe. So if you want to create the popcorn surfing cart, you need to have these materials. The first one is the quality timber, branch, and the last one is the light and shadow material pack. So what you need to do to craft it, you can just go find your workbench. In here, I'm going to just go to my workbench and click on this button and choose the popcorn surfing cart. Now you can just click on craft and make sure that you have all of these materials. Click on craft, click on hold to continue, and in here you can start crafting the popcorn surfing cart. And that's it, you just create your own popcorn surfing cart. So you can place it in your home or outside. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.